Go. What's that?
Cars.
Show me your cars.
Cars.
Let me see.
Unicorns.
What color is that?
G.
Green and what?
G. Blue.
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 How about the other car? Show it to Mama.
Nature.
What color is that car?
Blue.
Blue and
This.
what's that?
Red.
Red. What else? What's that? What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow and
Blue.
blue. There's more.
More.
Yeah.
This.
What color is that?
Orange.
Orange and
Red.
red. Very good. There's more. There, oh. Up. Look up. Look up. There. What's that?
Up to three. Up to three.
Show it to me. What's that? What color is that?
Orange.
And
White.
wow, very good. Let me see your cars. How many is your car? Can you count it?
1, 2, 8, 9, 8.
How many? How many? Again, 1,
2,
1. You count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! 5 cars. Say bye.
Bye-bye.